In today's video, we'll be learning how to add logo or watermark in your videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's assume that we already have our logo designed on canva.com. Let's say we have this logo designed already. In another video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Canva to design your logo. But for this video, we're going to go straight and assume that we've already designed this logo. So the next thing we'll do is to download this logo. We'll click on the share button here, click on download, and now either we'll select PNG or we'll select JPG as the case may be, but let me select PNG. Okay, let me select PNG. It's downloading now. So our logo has been downloaded. Now that we've been able to download our logo, I'm going to open my Adobe Premiere Pro and teach you how I can add this logo to my video. Like I said, in my next video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use Canva to design your logo. We have a lot of logo templates on Canva, but you can work around this and make necessary changes that you want, and then have it, we call it customized. You can work around it and customize it the way you want. You can set to change this S to A if you want to. Okay, let's assume that your company name is not Safford and Co. Your company name is Royal.co. Okay, we have it like this. So these are just different things you can do to customize the logo, but this is going to be a different video altogether. So let me now open up my, so we can proceed from here. Okay, I've been able to, you can see it here. We have our Adobe Premiere Pro ready. I'll now go to File and select the video and import. I'll click on import and now click on where is the video. Look for the where the file is, the video file is. This particular video should be on my channel. Okay, I'll drag it to the timeline. So I've been able to drag this particular video to my timeline. You can see it here. You can see the video here. Okay, what should I do next? The next thing I'm supposed to do is to also import my logo, the logo that I downloaded from Canva. I've selected it. I've been able to import my logo, as you can see. So I'll also drag the logo to the timeline and place it above the video file. You can see the logo here. Then I'll drag the logo to cover the entire duration of the video. It's always advisable to do so, but if you don't want to do that, you can still drag it back and stop wherever you want to. But for logos and watermarks like this, it's advisable to drag it to cover the entire duration of your video. You can see that we have it like this. The next thing we are supposed to do is to, you can see the logo is having a black background. We need to remove that black background so that it can have the same background with the screen, so that you'll be able to come out properly. If you prefer to leave it like this, there's no problem. All you need to do is to scale it. That's to reduce or increase the size. But in this case, you're supposed to reduce the size because you can't leave it like this. It will cover the entire screen. So if you say you want to increase it further, you drag it this way, it keeps increasing. If you want to reduce it, you reduce it like this, and now drag it to the exact position that you want the logo to be. Maybe the top right, top left, below, by the right, or even in the middle. But you cannot place it in the middle, you know, because it's going to cover your video. Or you place it on top. Personally, I prefer to leave my logos here, top right. Alright, that is that. But before then, like I said, personally, I always like to remove the background of the logo from black to the color of the screen. How do I achieve this? I will come to opacity. I'll come to opacity under the FX control panel here. You can see FX control panel here. You can locate opacity, and now under opacity you can see blend mode. Blend mode is here. Blend mode. The blend mode is on normal, so I will change this from normal to screen. You can see that the black background is out, so I'll now drag it and place it to this particular position. I'm now trying to rescale again. I'll now place it to this particular position. You can see it. Alright, I've been able to place this logo on my video. So if my video starts playing from the beginning to the end, you're going to see the logo. You can further readjust it. Let's say we adjust it this way and make it smaller, and I'll drag it. Okay, let me drag it and place it here, for example, and do it like this. You can see the logo right there, properly placed above in the middle of the video. You can decide to still reposition it and place it here. Alright guys, so this is how to successfully add your logo or your watermark to your video. I hope this video has been helpful. Please remember to like, share, leave your comments under the comment section. God bless you as you do so. See you again in my next video.